deep in umpire. I want to get the man out. I'm going to use some cricketing jargon to make a football point this evening. It's been over a month, approximately 4.5 weeks, since Mr. Michael Ricketts was elected president of the Jamaica Football Federation. And having been elected without a plan, Mr. Ricketts promised to deliver his plan within 2 weeks of his election. So with now 4 weeks gone since the election, and we still don't see the plan, it is fair to assume that Mr. Ricketts never did have a plan. That right there is Mr. Ricketts getting caught on the crease, playing no shot, and is hitting front, and is out plumb leg before. But seriously though, a lot of us were saying that Mr. Michael Ricketts never seemed to have a plan going into the JFF presidential election, other than to get him friend and to vote for him. And that Jamaica's football at this juncture needs more than that. Well, see it now, the footballer run without a plan or a pilot. A simple invitation to outstanding young Jamaican Leon Bailey to play for the Jamaican national team. Even that, them bungle up and turn in a big public fiasco. We are yet to hear anything with the long-term future of Coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore. The $400 million plus debt that was supposed to be tackled still a run and a dribble like him out for score, and I know him not get no tackle. Not even a general secretary has been officially appointed for the federation, as far as I can see. The only thing that has happened since the new president was elected was him sitting in the JFF rocking chair, and then him fly to Saudi Arabia and come back. And look, when the Maverick taught these things, them say me this and me that. But let me say this again. The only friend I have in Jamaica's football is Jamaica's football. Everybody else is a functionary. Right now, Mr. Michael Ricketts is the chief functionary, but him a malfunction. The engine don't start, Mr. Ricketts. Yes, yes, yes. The engine cannot start. Yes, yes. It's me I show you. And that me I show you. It cannot start.